Hello everyone, hope all are well. SSC Stenographer examination 2025 who appeared grade D stenographer examination for Hindi. Now I am discussing the review position of the grade D Hindi. First of all, number 1, dictation passage was very easy. The word of the passage not so hard. Number 2, fluctuation was there within the dictation, but that was not problem since most of the students telling no, data was managed. However, I already uploaded so many videos regarding fluctuation. Last video uploaded 26 January 2026 regarding fluctuation. Who followed my video, hope they got some advantage. Only concentration can control the fluctuation. Speaker was good, there was no problem. Sound system. Now I will guide those who will appear tomorrow, that is 29th January 2026 for grade C and grade D English stenographer examination for 2025. I request everybody, please concentrate yourself so that you can manage the fluctuation. Hindi grade C and grade D examination, that passage was moderate. For that, don't think about the passage. I further request, please tomorrow morning grammar lock and contraction have to be checked by all of you so that speed will be controlled by the grammar lock and contraction. I hope all will are ready to appear tomorrow morning examination for grade C and grade D English. And again tomorrow I will give the review accordingly. Best of your luck. Thank you. When you type, please try to complete that type 10 minutes before so that you can revise your passage and typing matter. Best of your luck. Thank you.